Okay, what is our project today? Kaboom. I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. Look at this. That's quite cool. Mommy ordered that online. She's got some of her exercise stuff here from the COVID virus and stuff. She's been doing workouts from home. She's got a membership where she goes, and then now they're doing it on TV, and she wanted a place for her stuff. And so she thought, I want some boxes. So she ordered these online, and you know, I was like, why are you getting the box now? Because what's going to happen in a couple weeks, her gym's going to be opening again. Now she's going to have all this stuff here, but hey, I can use it too now. And I thought, I didn't want to put these out here on the wall. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do in this room just yet. We might even take the carpet back and put some padding down on the floor or something for an exercise type area. I'm not quite sure, but that box, we've got a little closet here underneath the stairs. Here's the staircase. Here's the staircase over here. And they had this nice little closet that kind of comes down here, and we've kind of got this set up for her. She comes down here and meditates. We've got little candles there and all kinds of stuff. But I figured we could put those boxes right up against this wall. Boom, boom. And see, here's the other box right here. Yes. We've got to put this together, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Oh, that's funny. I wasn't even planning on making a video of this. You know, if you have any common sense and know how to read directions, you could probably put this together. No problem. I put this one together. I didn't know what I was doing, and I had the directions, and I was able to just follow A, B, C, D, E. That's all you've got to do to put something like that together. As long as you read the directions, that's the most important thing. All right, let's get going on this. That's all we need. And so I'm just gonna follow this. They usually show you what parts you have and the screws and all that kind of stuff. And this is the part I need to find right here. So, you know, I just look, and every little shelf is labeled with something. See, these two shelves have D's on them. And then I look over here, and this one has a B1. This one's got a C1. And I just look on here. Here's the first one. And so I'm just going to get the D's out, and the C1 and the B1, and we'll just kind of do that right here. See, there's B1 right there. That's all you got to look for, stuff like that. Okay. And these little ones are D's. Okay. I've got those, and I'm not even going to concern myself with these other ones that are A1s. Here's another B1, and there's a couple B1s. Okay, and then here's the C1. Okay, and I just kind of lay those out like that. I don't even have to get them all where they go exactly. Okay. Now we're ready for the next step. Okay. The next thing I usually like to do, I'll just kind of have my directions there, is open up this bag, and I take just a little screwdriver, just set it on the plastic and rip I used to try to cut these open with a sheetrock knife, but that's not a very wise thing to do. Okay, and I can just get my little individual parts out. That's all I'm doing right now, is getting everything out of the bag. I don't have to concern myself about, okay, how's this going together just yet. And check your screws, make sure they're not greasy or anything. And I don't really think they are, but here, we'll just set them on that. And this one comes with all kinds of little washers. And it comes with two different kinds of washers. Okay? So there's two little bits of washers here, and you might be like, well, okay, what are those for? Hey. Okay, so I've got my washers out like that. Okay, back to it. We got our screws here. I'm not even going to worry about that just yet. I'm not going to look at one thing and think I know how to do it and put it all together, because you could mess up. Okay, here's number one. This is the first thing. These are D's, and see, here's the little dowels. We put the dowels in, and see, I screwed up on the first one. I put dowels at all the ends, because there's holes on that side too, and then see, we're going to put dowels at the ends. Two at that end, two at this end, two at this end, two at that end, two, and I was putting these in, and I was one short, and I thought, oh brother, they shorted me. And then I started looking at this, and for some reason, this shelf right here only has two dowels in it. Okay, one of the short ones. All right, so, and I'm not gonna ask questions. I'm just going to follow the directions. Okay? Because the last thing I want to do is start putting this thing together thinking, oh, I know how to do that, and then I have to pull it apart, because there's another part that I'm going to show you in a little bit. And so these dowels, there's holes on the sides, and they just get pushed in. Sometimes you have to kind of tap it with a hammer just to make sure it's seated. But then other times you don't. Like these, if I push hard, I think that's in all the way. And I can just hold that up, put these in. Remember, one of the shelves is only going to have two dowels. Okay? Of the short ones. All these other ones are going to have the dowels. Now, these big fat ones got other holes in them too, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to follow the directions, okay? That's all. You may decide not to watch this entire video, but if you catch anything on this video, it's when you're putting together furniture or cabinets or stuff like this, the main thing you want to do is read the directions step by step. And that's what we're doing, okay? Here it shows you tapping it with the hammer. Oh, we didn't really have to do that, did we? Okay, so now I'm just going to go over to the next picture. And that's just kind of setting this stuff all up to where it's going to look like a box here, see? And now I know why the other dowel, this other short one, didn't have any dowels, because when I push this together, the dowels on this little part here are going to go all the way through this and stick out on the other side, then this is going to stick into the dowel. That's kind of slick. I've never really seen that before.